The Karachi morning sun casts a golden glow on the sleek glass facade of tech company, a beacon of modern ambition. A palpable sense of anticipation fills the air as employees stream into the building, their footsteps echoing with purpose. Adil strides confidently towards the entrance, his every step radiating ambition and determination. His eyes are fixed on the horizon, a silent promise of the heights he intends to reach. The office pulses with unspoken tension as employees whisper, their glances darting towards Adil and Sarah. Adil and Sarah, focused and composed, work at their desks, oblivious to the undercurrents around them. The unspoken topic of the promotion hangs heavy in the air, fueling the hushed conversations. In his office, Adil speaks in hushed tones, a conspiratorial air filling the room. His expression shifts to smug satisfaction as he ends the call. He whispers with a sneer, "She's too quiet to lead. Remember that project she supposedly mishandled?" In the HR department, the HR manager, a stern woman in her 40s, reads an anonymous email. The email accuses Sarah of sharing confidential data. A fabricated screenshot is attached, intensifying the gravity of the accusation. Sarah sits in disbelief, confronted by the HR manager and her own manager. The evidence lies before her, a stark accusation. "I would never do this," she insists, her voice trembling slightly. In the heart of the IT department, Samir nervously approaches the head of it. Samir speaks in hushed tones. "I saw Adil accessing restricted email logs. It was the day before the fake email surfaced." In the heart of the IT department, a team races against time, their fingers flying across keyboards. The glow of the monitors illuminates their faces, reflecting the intensity of their concentration. The source of the email is traced back to Adil. The head of IT's face darkens with grim realization. "It's him," the head of IT declares, his voice heavy with foreboding. He issues a stern command: "Prepare a report for HR." In the senior management office, Adil stands before the CEO and HR manager, his face paling as accusations fill the air. He shakes his head, vehemently denying any wrongdoing, but the digital evidence looms large. The CEO's words cut through the tension. "You are terminated, effective immediately." Sarah sits at her desk, relief flooding her face. Her manager approaches, a warm smile lighting up his face. The manager announces, "The investigation is closed. You're cleared. In fact, we'd like to offer you the senior project manager position." The CEO stands tall on the stage, the company logo glowing behind him. A sea of employees fills the auditorium, their expressions a mix of hope and anxiety. The CEO's voice booms through the room. "We're implementing stricter data policies and a whistleblower protection program. Trust and transparency will be our new foundation." Karachi sprawls under the cloak of night, its lights a tapestry of ambition and moral complexity. Relevant law: Prevention of Electronic Crimes Act, PICA, 2016, Section 24. Cyberstalking, fabricated content. Whoever with intent to harm the reputation or privacy of a person sends or disseminates false, harmful, or fabricated information through any electronic system shall be punished. Doctored screenshots or impersonation. Penalty: imprisonment up to 3 years. Fine up to PKR 1 million, or both, depending on the severity of the offense.